Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to cover the Girgira, aka the buzz roll. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Playing the Girgira is an important technique when it comes to playing Dhol. It's executed by allowing a greater part of the tihli to lie across a treble head so that it rebounds and then it creates a buzz sound. It's usually played by alternating between the dagga and the tihli. When alternating between the sticks, you want to space out the strikes equally so that the buzz sounds the same each time. There are exceptions to this rule, of course, but for the most part, you want the roll to be consistent. The way that I play the Girgira is as follows. I grip the tihli slightly tighter than I would when I normally play the Dhol. The first strike is a.a.a, so after that, bring in the tihli so that the fulcrum point, which is right here between the fingers, lies on the ganar of the Dhol, which is the rim right over here. If you hit it hard enough, it'll create a bounce and then it'll create that buzz sound. Before incorporating the gate, what I want you guys to do is create the buzz sound and then just repeat playing it while focusing on the quality of the individual buzzes. Once you get this down, try alternating between your hands. In application, when playing the Girgira in a groove such as Chaal, there are 16 individual strikes that can fit into one count of Chaal. When I play the Girgira, whether it comes before, during, or after, I play 15 strikes. That's because it allows me to start with a gay and then end with a gay, giving me enough time to move my tihli to a position to play whatever else follows. To practice, let's take a look at 3 exercises. For illustration purposes, I'm going to refer to the buzz sound as ra, like ge-da, ge-da. The first exercise is going to consist of 3 strikes. It begins with a ge, followed by a ra, and then ends with a ge. Let's take a look at this now. Exercises 2 and 3 follow the same concept, and we're just going to make the sequence longer. Exercise 2 consists of 5 strikes, whereas exercise 3 consists of 15 strikes. Once you get these down, you can always do more. Let's take a look at both of these exercises now. This is the end of the lesson, but before you guys go, if you found this video useful and you want to see more Dhol lessons from me, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, and subscribing doesn't cost you a thing, so make sure you guys subscribe and help this channel grow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.